Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your site shows domain not connected, website not live, or visitors land on a parking page instead of your site, this is the domain website link issues, not a design problem. In 2026, most cases come down to DNS assignments or propagation. So follow this checklist in order and you will fix it fast. So first thing you can do is confirm the domain is assigned to the site. So log into GoDaddy, go to website, open your website dashboard, not the editor, so check domain, your domain name is selected, status says connected or shows an action button. So if not, click connect domain, select the correct domain and then save. Assignments comes before DNS. Okay, so check where the domain is registered. Okay, so this determines the fix. So domain bots from GoDaddy. Okay, domain bots elsewhere, it's manual DNS, so use the correct section below. Okay, so fix for GoDaddy registered domains. This is fast. So if your domain is with GoDaddy, go to my product domains, select the domain, click DNS or manage DNS, and ensure name service equals GoDaddy default, no conflicting records pointing elsewhere. Okay, so then go back to website, click connect or refresh, wait 5 to 15 minutes and publish this site. GoDaddy to GoDaddy connections are usually automatic. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.